Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we are comparing two popular options, the Thermaltake SMART 600W and the Corsair RM850e. Both power supplies have their strengths and weaknesses, and we'll explore these in detail. The Thermaltake SMART 600W is a budget-friendly choice, while the Corsair RM850e offers premium features for high-performance builds. Let's dive in. When it comes to wattage, the Corsair RM850e takes the lead with a robust 850W output, making it suitable for high-end systems and future upgrades. In contrast, the Thermaltake SMART 600W offers a decent 600W, which is adequate for basic to mid-range builds. If you're planning to power a powerful GPU or multiple components, the RM850e is the better choice. Efficiency is another critical factor. The Corsair RM850e boasts an 80+ Gold certification, ensuring better energy savings and lower heat output compared to the Thermaltake SMART 600W, which has an 80+ White rating. This difference means that the RM850e not only saves you money on your electricity bill, but also contributes to a cooler and quieter system overall. Lastly, let's talk about modularity. The Corsair RM850e features a fully modular design, allowing for easy cable management and customization based on your needs. On the other hand, the Thermaltake SMART 600W is non-modular, which can lead to a cluttered build and more challenging cable management. If you value a clean and organized setup, the RM850e is the clear winner here. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake SMART 600W and Corsair RM850e have their unique advantages. The SMART 600W is an excellent budget option for basic builds, while the RM850e is ideal for high-performance systems that require more power and efficiency. Consider your specific needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.